Your evening dinner habits may be quietly shaping your fatty liver risk, especially after 50. In this video, we'll break down 7 science-backed changes to your nightly routine that may help support liver health and weight loss without extreme diets. Researchers now use the term MASLD for most non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and it has become one of the most common liver problems in adults. After 50, slower metabolism, hormonal shifts, and less activity can make it easier for extra calories to end up as liver fat. The encouraging news is that major liver and gastroenterology guidelines place lifestyle, especially nutrition, physical activity, and modest, steady weight loss at the center of management. Stay with us to the end because we'll share one simple timing rule that keeps showing up in the data and is more realistic than most all-or-nothing eating plans. Before we dive in, a quick but important note. This video is for education only and isn't medical advice. If you've been told you have fatty liver or MASLD, live with diabetes or other chronic conditions, or take regular medications, please talk with your healthcare provider before changing your diet, calorie intake, or eating schedule. If you care about health, weight loss, better nutrition, gut health, and a healthy lifestyle, hit like. Subscribe to Alinart Health for more evidence-based health tips, and tell us in the comments which dinner habit you most want to improve. Let's set the big picture in just one idea. In people with fatty liver, losing about 7 to 10% of body weight, ideally through a healthy diet plus regular movement, is consistently linked with improvements in liver fat and other liver markers. Dinner is often the heaviest meal of the day, which makes it a powerful lever for nudging your eating pattern in the right direction. Now let's walk through 7 dinner habits that may support fatty liver health and weight loss after 50. Habit number 1. Build a Mediterranean-style dinner plate most nights. Mediterranean-style eating, rich in vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, olive oil, and fish, and lower in processed meats and sugary foods, is associated with better liver and cardiometabolic health. In people with fatty liver, calorie-conscious Mediterranean-style diets have reduced liver fat and improved liver enzymes in clinical studies. At dinner, a simple template is half the plate non-starchy vegetables, a quarter whole grains or legumes, and a quarter lean protein, such as fish, poultry, tofu, or beans, with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil or a few nuts. You don't need a perfect Mediterranean meal every night, you just want this pattern most of the time. Habit number 2. Keep dinner portions modest to support gradual weight loss. Guidelines for MASLD emphasize weight loss through reduced calorie intake as one of the most effective tools for improving liver fat. Even around 5% weight loss can help, and around 7 to 10% is often linked with bigger improvements. Because dinner can easily become the largest meal, it's also where people are most likely to overshoot their needs. Try plating your food once using the Mediterranean template, eating slowly, and waiting a few minutes before considering more. If you know you get hungry later, plan a small, balanced snack, such as fruit with a handful of nuts, rather than doubling your dinner serving. Habit number 3. Choose fiber-rich carbohydrates instead of refined starch and added sugar. Studies on dietary patterns and fatty liver link high intakes of added sugars, sugary drinks, and highly refined starches with a higher risk of liver fat, while fiber-rich, plant-forward patterns are linked with better outcomes. This doesn't mean you can never have white bread or dessert again, but it does mean your default choices matter. At dinner, think water or unsweetened tea instead of soda, smaller servings of white bread or white rice, and more dishes built around beans, lentils, vegetables, and whole grains. Over months, those swaps can help control total calories and fit into a healthy diet that supports liver health. Habit number 4. Make lean protein and healthy fats the default on your plate. Evidence-based guidance for fatty liver highlight limiting processed meats and very high saturated fat intake, while encouraging more fish, plant proteins, and unsaturated fats, such as those in olive oil and nuts. Dinner is a perfect place to shift those ratios. That might mean grilled fish instead of a large portion of fatty red meat, or a chili made with beans and vegetables instead of processed sausages. Adequate protein helps with feeling full and supports muscle mass when paired with regular physical activity, which in turn supports a healthy weight and better metabolic health.
Habit number 5. Eat dinner on the earlier side and aim for a gentle overnight fasting window.
Meal timing matters, but not always in the way headlines suggest. In one randomized trial in adults with obesity and fatty liver, people who ate within an 8-hour window and those who ate over a longer day both reduced liver fat and body weight when they followed a calorie-restricted diet. The main driver seems to be the calorie reduction, not the exact eating window. Another large study found that very long nighttime fasting periods, more than about 14 hours, combined with very few meals per day, were linked with a higher risk of fatty liver. That kind of study can't prove cause and effect, but it reminds us that extreme fasting isn't automatically better. For many adults after 50, a practical middle ground is to finish dinner a few hours before bed and allow roughly a 12 to 13-hour overnight fast most days, adjusting the timing with your clinician if you take medication or have other health issues.
Habit number 6. Close the kitchen after dinner to avoid constant evening snacking.
From a liver and weight perspective, some of the easiest calories to cut are the ones you barely notice: chips, cookies, sweets, or ice cream eaten out of habit while watching TV. These foods are usually high in added sugar and refined starch, and they tend to be layered on top of an already adequate dinner. One simple rule is to treat dinner as your last main meal of the day. If you truly need something later from medical reasons, make it a small, planned, balanced choice instead of open-ended grazing. That clear boundary can make it much easier to keep your overall intake in the range that supports gradual weight loss and better liver health. Habit number 7. Connect your dinner routine with movement and recovery. The research we're drawing from makes it clear that nutrition and physical activity work together. Many guidelines recommend at least 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity movement, plus some strength training for people with fatty liver and metabolic risk factors. You can anchor part of that around dinner. A short walk after dinner most days is a realistic way to increase your weekly movement. Keeping screens away from the table can help you notice hunger and fullness, and a predictable wind-down routine supports better sleep. Most studies measure overall lifestyle, not after-dinner walks specifically, so think of these steps as practical ways to apply the bigger recommendations in everyday life.
Now, let's tie everything together with one key idea. Across the major studies and guidelines, a consistent pattern appears: a mostly Mediterranean-style, fiber-rich, healthy diet plus sustainable weight loss of around 7 to 10% of body weight is what most often shows benefits for fatty liver. Dinner is one of the strongest levers you can move to support that pattern. So here's the simple rule. Most nights, make dinner a light to moderate Mediterranean-style meal that fits into a 12 to 13-hour overnight fasting window, and let that pattern repeat. That means plenty of plants, reasonable portions, limited added sugars and ultra-processed foods, and a clear end to eating for the day. Let's quickly recap. First, build a Mediterranean-style dinner template with vegetables, whole grains or legumes, lean protein, and healthy fats. Second, keep portions and evening snacking under control so dinner supports modest, steady weight loss instead of working against it. Third, aim for a consistent, not too late dinner with a gentle overnight fasting window that fits your life and medical needs. Small, consistent changes to your dinner routine can add up over months and years, especially after 50, when protecting your liver is a key part of protecting your overall health and energy. This video is educational and doesn't replace personalized medical advice. If you have fatty liver, MASLD, diabetes, or any other chronic condition, or you're on regular medication, please work with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to adapt these ideas safely. If you found this helpful, please like the video. Subscribe to Alinart Health for more evidence-based content on liver health, gut health, weight loss, and healthy diet strategies, and share it with someone who might benefit. Comment below with the dinner habits you plan to work on this week, and tell us if you'd like a follow-up video with sample Mediterranean-style dinner ideas. And if you'd like to explore the research behind these tips, check out the references section in the description below.